In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete drafts on Picsart. If you have saved some projects as drafts and want to remove them, it is easy to do. Drafts can take up space and clutter your workspace. By deleting them, you can keep your app organized. To get started, open up the Picsart application and then tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. To delete a photo draft, tap Photos at the top, and then tap See All. This will show you all your photo drafts. Simply tap and hold the photo that you want to delete from drafts. Then tap Delete Project. To delete a video draft, tap Videos at the top. Then tap My Projects. This will show you all your video drafts. Simply tap and hold the video that you want to delete from drafts. Then tap Delete Project. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.